Hello, dear students. Myself, Dr. Jyoti Shegokar. I welcome you in my YouTube channel, which name is Chemistry in Engineering. And today we are here with the topic of metal extraction from the e-waste. In e-waste, guys, as we know that number of metals are present that are to be extracted. So during extracting, there are number of positive things, number of negative things are there, because a lot of e-waste is producing day by day worldwide. So nearly in 2016, the e-waste produced, it is 44.7 million tons, and annually it is increasing 5 to 6% continuously. So you can imagine that a lot of e-waste is producing. So number of constraints are there, which are there in my another video, that are constraints for the metal process of extracting metals from the e-waste. And our today's topic is opportunities. So by extracting that, during extracting that metals, number of constraints are there, so that we have seen. So how to overcome that constraints? There are number of opportunities also there, which is one of the positive side of the e-waste. So number one is a resource recovery. Resource recovery, under this, the proper methods are to be, innovative methods are to be produced, are to be invented. So as we know that e-waste contains metals, ceramics, metalloids, it must require some tailored methods. So in this, the resource recovery is nothing but the methods which are produced for the e-waste extraction, for the metal extraction from the e-waste, which can provide which is having the significant value in this world. So efficient extraction methods that are, if produced, that can be reduce the need for mining of raw materials. Means as from the raw materials these metals are produced. One of the example is there, gold. In 2013, gold has been produced up to from this such type of raw materials. From that, the 11% of gold is purely produced from the e-waste, as a metal from e-waste. So it is one of the opportunity that means the metals can be produced. So if the proper methods are given, the extraction, for the extraction process, so by the resource recovery, so it is very significant and it is very helpful for the human being. So for mining raw materials, conserving natural resources ultimately, and reducing the environmental impacts, because these metals are ultimately environmentally hazardous. So if they are recycled or removed from the waste, so it is beneficial for the environment. So in this way, this resource recovery is one of the point very important for the study also, and for getting the revenue also. So next is the technological advances. In this, some innovative methods which can be produced. So nowadays, bioleaching type of method, in which there is a use of microorganisms for the extraction of metals, for the production of metals from the minerals, from the ores. So use of that is the microorganisms, by the process of bioleaching, which is one of the part of hydrometallurgical processes, in which there is a use of acids, bases, or different type of chemicals to extract the metals. So these methods are very important, or these are by the different innovations these comes ahead. So that will be very much helpful. It can offer the efficient advancements. It can offer the efficient help for the e-waste and growth for the revenue again. So advancement in automation and robotics, that type of robotics or automation can be used for extraction purpose also. So it can improve the precision and safety for recycling the waste or production of the e-waste. Then third is the economic benefits. In this, we can establish the strong e-waste industries, which can give the growth or the production of the we can say the money, as well as it stimulate the economic growth. Then recycled metals can be sold at a profit. It can produce the revenue stream, so that it can be to the proper companies which are helpful for their growth also. So not only this e-waste is for the proper management, or to compost, or to incinerate, or to dump it, but also some revenue can also be produced if the proper methods are given. Then last is the regulatory support and public awareness. Regulatory streaming should be given. The incentive should be given. Then some framework should be given, regulatory framework should be given, and public awareness, that means as we are today studying it, so it must be aware to all the public, so that the proper e-waste management should be done, that improper methods should be surpassed by proper investment methods. Recycling practices, consumers participation must be there, so that it can be form minimum e-waste, as well as there is a production of money also. So in this way, these 4 different opportunities are there which are helpful. Under this heading of economic benefits, again there is one, that it can provide the jobs. As the companies will get more revenue, it can provide the job, that means give employment also. So in this way, these are all the 4 different opportunities which are due to e-waste formation. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you feel that this video is helpful for you, so please like this video, share to it your friend, and if you are not already, then subscribe it, and also hit the bell button so that you can get the different videos of this engineering chemistry. Thank you very much guys.